Hello, I'm Chelsea with the Oregon Department of Revenue. We created this video to help you learn about our new authorization to receive tax information and authorization to represent forms. Through feedback from customers and tax professionals, we've simplified our process and made it more clear. Along with each form, there is a set of instructions. This video will help you choose which form to complete. Here's more information.
Oregon's Tax Information Authorization and Power of Attorney for Representation form is changing. The form is being retired and replaced by two new forms, the Authorization to Receive Tax Information form and the Authorization to Represent form. Use the OR-AUTH-info Authorization to Receive Tax Information form to designate any person, firm, organization, or agency to receive your confidential tax information. Only you need to fill out, sign, and return the form to the Department of Revenue. Use Form OR-AUTH-REP, Authorization to Represent form, to authorize an individual to represent you before the Oregon Department of Revenue. Your representative will have full authority to act on your behalf and can do everything you can do before the department with the same legal effect. This includes accessing your confidential information, providing information, preparing, signing, executing, and filing your returns. An authorized representative must meet certain criteria to represent you. More information about the criteria and the forms can be found in the instructions on our website. You and your authorized representative will need to sign the form. We have videos on how to fill out each one of these forms. Thanks for watching.